Welcome to my channel Beat the Maths. I am Pavitra Hunay. Today I need to discuss about some introduction part of mathematics. This is the video for newcomer. Those are just passed out from class 10 and joined in plus 2 or diploma. Okay, this video will help you for your further study. And you see, if you are new in this channel, please like, share and subscribe so that you can get notification whenever I will upload a new video. Today I need to discuss some previous chapters of class 9 and 10. In your previous classes, whatever you studied, I need to discuss about that. At first you see what is constant. What is constant? The fixed value is called as constant. It is a fixed value. It is a fixed value. कांस्टेंट क्या होते हैं? जिसका वैल्यू फिक्स होता है, चेंज नहीं होता है, उसको हम कांस्टेंट बोलते हैं. देखो, हम लिखेंगे 2, 3, 4, 6. These values are constant. That means suppose you will ask someone, what is this? This is 2. What is this? This is 3. What is this? This is 4. What is this? This is 6. That means if you ask any person, अगर आप पूछेंगे किसी भी आदमी को पूछेंगे ये क्या है, ये 2 है. छोटे बच्चे को पूछेंगे क्या है, ये 2 है. बड़े आदमी को पूछेंगे क्या है, ये 2 है. इसमें ये कहना चाहता हूँ, ये 2 का वैल्यू सबके लिए समान है. दैट मीन्स द वैल्यू ऑफ 2 इज इक्वल फॉर ऑल एंड द वैल्यू ऑफ 2 कैनॉट बी चेंज. This value is known as constant. Okay, whatever may be, you write 0.5, half, 3.2. Okay, all these are, we say, constant. Next you see variable. What is variable? It is a quantity. It is a quantity which changes time to time. Time to time. Suppose you say x, y, z, something like that. You see, suppose you ask what is this? This is x. What is the value of x? Someone will say x is equal to 2, or someone will say x is equal to 3. That means for person to person the value can change. So x is a variable, y is a variable, z is also a variable. Just you remember that quantity which changes time to time, its value, okay, its value is called as variable, is called as variable. Okay, suppose you know what is constant, what is variable. Suppose you will take one variable and one constant. Okay, suppose you will take one variable and one constant. Here you see x plus 2. What is x and what is 2? X is a variable, 2 is a constant. Okay, then the combine of x plus 2 is what? x और 2, ये दोनों को मिला के हम क्या कहेंगे? This x plus 2 is called as polynomial, or we can say x plus 2 is called expression. Okay, expression. Understood? You see what is the difference between let us see y plus 3, x plus x square plus 2x plus 5. All these things are expression. Okay, You know what is expression? Okay. Suppose I will take an expression x plus 5. Okay. What is the difference between x plus 5 and x plus 5 is equal to 0? Is there any difference or not? X plus 5 is an expression. This is an expression. X plus 5 is equal to 0. This is not an expression. This is an equation. You see what? Now you see x plus 5 is expression, x plus 5 is equal to 0 is an equation. That means any expression equating to 0 or any other constant. That means any, you see, equation, any expression equating to 0, or any other constant, is called equation. Here x plus 5 equal to 0 is an equation. Understood? You see, suppose this is a variable, this is a constant. Do you find out the value of x? Yes. You can find out the value of x. X is equal to how much? Minus 5. Plus 5 is here. Suppose you will shift to right side. Plus sign is there. So that become minus. So x is equal to minus 5. Okay. This is an equation. How many variables are there? Only a variable are there. That is x. In x plus 5 there is only a variable, that is x. x plus 5 में कितना वेरिएबल है? एक ही वेरिएबल है. कितना कांस्टेंट है? एक ही कांस्टेंट है. इसमें एक ही वेरिएबल है. There is only a variable, so we call as, this is the equation of one variable. x plus 5 is an equation of, we can say, हम कहते हैं x plus 5 is equal to 0 is an equation of one variable. Okay. Suppose x plus y is equal to 3 given. अगर कहीं पे x plus y is equal to 3 दिया हुआ है, हम क्या कहेंगे? x is a variable, y is also a variable. There are two variables, but there is a variable. Okay, there are two variables. There is a variable where a is where there is only a variable. We can say the equation of one variable. Here two variable. This is an equation of two variable. This is an equation of two variable. Okay. Here you see, what is the power of x? 1. What is the power of y? 1. You see, that means degree of x is equal to 1, degree of y is equal to 1. If you say, you can also say, this is a equation. This is an equation of, this is a linear equation. This is a linear equation of two variable. You see, linear. What is linear? The degree of x is equal to 1. x का घात 1 है, y का घात 1 है. The degree of x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1. So in English that is linear. Okay, जिसका घात 1 होता है इसको हम linear बोलते हैं. That means this is the linear equation of how many variable? 2 variable. This is a linear equation of 2 variable. Okay, suppose I will write x plus y plus z is equal to 3. How many variables are there? X is a variable, y is a variable, z is a variable. There are 3 variables. How many variables are there? There are 3 variables. This is also a linear equation. This is a linear equation of how many variables? 3 variables. Okay, suppose 2x plus y is given, we can write 2 variables. X plus y plus z is given, we can write 3 variables. Only x given, 1 variable. Only y given, 1 variable. Only z given, 1 variable. So suppose y is equal to y plus 4 is equal to 0, or y plus 8 is equal to 0. This is a equation of 1 variable. This is also linear equation. ओके, दिस इज ऑल्सो लीनियर इक्वेशन. ये भी लीनियर इक्वेशन है, ये भी लीनियर इक्वेशन. लीनियर का मतलब क्या है? x का घात 1 है. ओके, इसमें से x का घात 1, y का घात 1, z का घात 1 है, तो इसको हम लीनियर इक्वेशन बोलते हैं. यू सी, दिस इज एन इम्पोर्टेंट थिंग. इन योर क्लास 9, इन योर क्लास 10 ऑलरेडी यू हैव स्टडीड अबाउट लीनियर इक्वेशन. Okay, so how to solve linear equation? You know, y plus 8 is equal to 0. Y is equal to how much? Minus 8. In your class 10, you have solved so many problems. Okay, this is not new for you. Suppose 2 equations are given. Okay, suppose 2 linear equation given. 2 equation दिया हुआ है, x plus y is equal to 2. Okay, 3x प्लस 2y इज इक्वल टू 5. अगर 2 इक्वेशन हमको दिया है तो हम इसको कैसे सॉल्व करेंगे? इसको हम जानते हैं कैसे सॉल्व करेंगे. यू सी, दिस इज से इक्वेशन 1, दिस इज इक्वेशन 2. ओके, वी इक्वेटिंग टू इक्वेशन, we have to multiply with 3 so that we can equate this term. Okay, otherwise we can multiply with 2 here, we can equate this term, these 2 term. Okay, that means equation 1 will multiply with 2, it become how much? 2x plus 2y is equal to 4. Equation 2 not multiply with anyone, that means only 1. Okay, that means 3x plus 2y is equal to 5. This plus sign given, that means we have to put minus. Nothing given, that means minus. Nothing given, that is minus. Okay, these two will cancel out. 5x is equal to how much? 5x, no 5x, that is minus x is equal to minus 1. Okay, x is equal to 1. You put the value of x in equation 1 or 2, whatever maybe you put in 1. Okay, that means 1 plus y is equal to 2, y is equal to 2 minus 1. Okay, y is equal to 1. That means x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1 is the solution of these two linear equations.